Hey, let me ask you, you've done this every year since 2012 now, I think. How did you end up being the Grammy guy, I guess you could say at this point?
Well, wow. I have no idea. I did approximately 10 different Grammy shows or affiliated shows with Ken Ehrlich. And, I have a great relationship with Ken and Neil Portnow over at the Grammys. And, just one thing kind of led to another. It wasn't planned out. It's not, some kind of contractual thing. It just kind of happened, and I really enjoy it. And they've been inviting me back, and so I've continued to be happy to do it. And it's just a lot of fun. I get to be close to music, have a good time, and it's just great, man. It's just, for me, it's just like being a kid again. I get to kind of be the traffic cop and just kind of have a great time and be real close to music.
Yeah,
which
man.
is my first love.
You just keep the show going. So, do you consider yourself among the? Are you in the club with like Billy Crystal and Whoopi Goldberg and Neil Patrick Harris and all those folks we think about doing award shows now?
Am I in the club?
Are you in the club?
I'm definitely I definitely host shows. I don't try to compare myself to those comedians you just talked about. I'm far from a comedian, so I'm not delusional, but I'm just having a good time. Just having a good time, and yeah, I'm a host, but still a musician, still an actor, and I just like doing different things. And if I have the ability to do it and the opportunity, I do it.
No, see, well, that's a good thing. You have kind of this connection to the show. I mean, you've got a couple of awards yourself from back in the day as you were continuing on with your music career. The Grammys has become so big over the past few years, especially with the performances. And you think at this point, is it almost as it rolls around every year, is the performances, are those just as big as the awards are at this point?
Well, I think that it's twofold. I think the fans at home, while they love seeing people get awards and hearing about who got awards, at the same time, they want to see these great artists perform. I mean, that's what music is about. I think that's the thing that separates the Grammys from a lot of award shows. You get these Grammy moments, and you actually get to see the nominees and the winners actually do their thing live on stage, and it's fun. So, yes, we like to see people get awards, and it's, of course, as a musician, it's always wonderful to be recognized, but it's all about, those Grammy moments. You want to see Pink swinging from the air, and you want to see, there's just things that you just want to see. Like this year, you have Sam Smith and Usher and Pharrell Williams and, all these different, artists that'll be on stage. Tony Bennett, Lady Gaga, and, it'll be amazing. So.
No, there's always something that comes out of it. There's always a talker. I remember when the Beach Boys got back together and played on it. There's always something everybody's talking about the next day. You think there's one of those in the lineup this year?
I promise you.
I promise you.
I'm not going to tell you what. I'm not going to tell you which one, but I will tell you that there will be some amazing performances this year. This is the kind of television that you got to tune in for. It's appointment TV, and make sure you watch. It's going to be a lot of fun. Some really cool performances.
All right,
my personal guarantee.
That's what we needed, man. The personal guarantee. I appreciate it. We'll be watching. Have a great show. Congratulations on doing it another year. We'll see you Sunday.
I appreciate you, man. Much love.